Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the rules of subject-verb agreement. So, let's start our lesson. Subject-verb agreement. We often use to write sentences which contain a subject and verb. The subject could be a noun, a proper noun, or an abstract noun. The verb must agree with the number and person of the subject in a grammatically correct sentence. In a sentence where a pronoun is the subject, the verb must agree with the number and the person of the pronoun. The basic rule is singular subject, singular verb, and plural subject, plural verb. When we make a sentence, we tell something about a person or a thing. The part of the sentence which states the person or thing in the sentence is called the subject of the sentence, and the part which gives us more information about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Here given chart singular and plural. Why is the window open? Here window is singular. So the verb is singular. Why are the windows open? Here windows are plural. A pack of milk was spoiled. 3 packs of milk were spoiled. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming and jogging are good exercises. Agreement of person of the pronoun in the present tense. With the exception of the verb be, to the concord of verbs with persons following general rule. Number first, the verb form with the pronouns I, we, you and they is the same. Like I, we, you and they have little money left. Here have is plural. I, we, you or they understand Russian very well. Number 2. For the verb be, the form remains the same with the pronouns we, you and they, but it is different for I. Examples: we, you, they are very skilled at debating, but I am quite skilled at debating too. Here am is used for I. The concord for all verbs remain the same with the pronouns he, she and it. Examples: he, she is very tired and says she does not want any dinner. Here he and she is third person singular number, so the verb is singular. My dog is very well behaved. It doesn't bark at my acquaintance. Agreement of person of the pronoun in the past and future tenses. With the exception of the verb be, the concord for all verbs remains the same for all the persons in the past tense. Examples: I, we, he, she, it, you, they slept very little last night. Here I is first person singular number, we is first person plural number, he, she, it is third person singular number, you is second person and they is third person plural number. But here V2 is used all the cases. For the verb be, the concord is the same for I, he, she and it. It is also the same for we, you and they. I, he, she, it was annoyed at something. We, you, they were annoyed at something. A compound subject with the conjunction and takes a plural verb. When two or more singular subjects are joined together, plural verb is used. Example, a journey through the wild and killers on the loose are two of the most popular short story was Arnold Tanner. My father and two of his colleagues traveled together to work. Here, two compound subjects joined with conjunction and. So, they takes a plural verb. Two singular subjects connect by or either or neither nor require a singular subject. My brother or my sister is accompanying me to the movie. Neither Mike nor Mary is good at mathematics. If one of the subject is singular and the other is plural, in and or, neither nor, either or sentences, the verb agrees with the noun or pronoun closest to it. Means when the subject are joined by or, nor, either, neither, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Neither the book nor the magazine belongs to that table. Here, verb is agree with the closest noun. Here, noun is magazine. Neither our car nor our bikes need to be parked in front of the garage. If the subject of a sentence contains the word each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, it is considered singular and requires a singular word. Example, each of these phones is very expensive. Everyone loves to be praised. Modal auxiliaries do not change with the number and person of the subject. Their forms remain the same in all tenses. I, we, he, she, it, you, they can run very fast. I, we, he, she, it, you, they should have reached by now. We can see that here all the persons and modal auxiliaries do not change with the number and person of the subject. Agreement in other constructions. A collective noun that is considered a single unit takes a singular verb. Example, the hospital staff was given a special award. Here, collective is thought of as one whole. A collective nouns where the members of the group are considered individually takes a plural verb. But collective noun takes plural verb when the stress is on the individuals. Example, the board of directors are divided on the issue of reforms. The members of committee are unanimous in their decision. Certain nouns that have the plural as ending take singular verbs. For example, news, measures, physics, athletics, etc. Nouns like news, physics, economics, measures, cars, acrobatics are plural in form. They seem to be plural, but they are treated as singular. For example, athletics is quite popular among students. The news on television this morning was totally depressing. Certain nouns ending in s take plural verbs if they refer to a group or a pair. His spectacles are broken again. My trousers are away too tight. Nouns like glasses, pants, trousers, shoes, people, police, seizures always take a plural word. Also, descriptive nouns like the rich, the blind, the guilty are always plural. Pronouns such as both, few, many, several, etc. take a plural verb. Examples: several new products were introduced by the company last month. Many were evacuated from the collapsed building. The titles of books, magazines, etc. take a singular verb. The Times is a political magazine. Here, the Times is a magazine, so take a singular verb. The Arabian Nights is a famous collection of interconnected stories. Here, the Arabian Nights is the name of books, so it takes a singular verb. Words and phrases that refer to an amount of money, fractions, distance, intervals of time, etc. take singular verbs. Example: 20 kilometers is a long distance to walk. 15 minutes is not too long to wait. Class nouns that refer to clothing, furniture, stationery, equipment, cutlery, etc. take singular verbs. Example: where is the silver cutlery which we bought last year? The furniture was quite old, so we decided to replace it. Here, furniture refer to here furniture, so it takes singular verb was, and silver cutlery take singular verb is. The verb must agree with the subject of a sentence, not with words that are close to it as a part of a phrase that comes between the subject and the verb. Students who have read this book are few in number. Here, verb agree with the subject of a sentence, not with words. The captain of the team, as well as all the other players, is happy with the result. Here, the verb must agree with the subject of the sentence, not with words. Here, home assignment is given. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter. Thank you.